Welcome to the Australian unboxing of the Spot X two-way satellite messenger at Satphone Sales. Very nicely presented, even carabiners used as part of the display, but we'll just get right on in there and have a look at the inner box. Inside we've got the Spot X itself, a small plastic stand for setting it on a convenient flat surface, and the USB cable. Hang on to that USB cable. We have tried other USB cables with no success, so that's a quality unit. Keep it with the device for firmware upgrades and syncing your device to your Spot account. Under the tray here we have the Spot X Quick Start Guide. We have information on the optional GEOS search and rescue insurance. We have warranty information. We have advice that the firmware must be upgraded before use, as should it be synced to your Spot account. We also have some labels in multiple languages telling you how to use the SOS functionality. And under here you can see the Velcro strap that is used for attaching the Spot X to the carabiner through this convenient slot here. On the device itself we've got the SOS button well hidden under a flap. You can't inadvertently send off an SOS without raising that flap. We have the mechanism here for navigating the menus, the enter key, the button to start and stop tracking, and a return key that we use when in the menu. We also have the standard QWERTY keyboard, which is very easy to use. Taking a hold of the unit, it feels like a quality unit. It's slightly rubberdized. It has a feeling of toughness and robustness about it. Antenna well attached, doesn't seem like it's going to be an issue. Size-wise, I've got a Spot Gen 3 here to compare. They're about the same thickness. The Spot X is about twice the size, but I don't think that's going to be a problem for anyone. So in a nutshell, a very capable device, beautifully presented, should give many years of good service and keep you safe out there in the wild. Thank you for watching our unboxing at Satphone Sales.